Welcome everyone. Today's module is all about practicing various techniques in hair coloring. We will focus on mastering the art of slicing and understanding the importance of its aftercare. By the end of this session, you will gain the skills to successfully carry out the procedure of slicing and understand the essential steps and techniques for after hair color slicing care. It is important to gather the necessary components and tools for carrying out the procedure of slicing and aftercare. For this, the required components and tools are one timer, one mixing bowl, either glass or plastic, one measuring spoon, one measuring scale, one spray bottle with water, one tint brush, one pintail comb, and setting clips as required. The material required will be one neck cap, one neck strip, one towel, mild shampoo as required, conditioner as required, the selected hair color as required, peroxide or developer as required, a pair of protective gloves, cotton as required, protective cream as required, foil paper as required. Before starting slicing, seat your client comfortably and drape them accordingly. Check the results of the patch test for any signs of redness or irritation and proceed only if the skin is clear. Shampoo the hair if necessary, while ensuring to avoid any scalp manipulations during the shampoo. Always wear protective gloves. Let us now learn the slicing procedure. Start by dividing the hair into manageable sections. The size and number of sections depend on the desired slicing effect and the thickness of the hair. You can create slices on the top layer of the hair or throughout the entire head. Within each section, choose thin, uniform hair sections to color. These slices will be the strands of hair that you will apply the color to. The size and thickness of the slices will determine the intensity and boldness of the color effect. Choose a hair color product that matches your desired shade for slicing. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to prepare the color, which may involve mixing the colorant with a developer or using a ready-to-use formula. Before applying the color to the selected slices, it is essential to perform a strand test. Take a small section of hair, apply the color mixture and follow the processing time recommended by the product. The test helps ensure the chosen color achieves the desired result and checks for any allergic reactions or adverse effects. Apply a barrier cream or petroleum jelly along the hairline, ears and neck to prevent the hair color from staining the skin. Additionally, wear an old t-shirt or a color-resistant cape to protect your clothes. Using a hair color brush or applicator, carefully apply the chosen color directly to the selected slices of hair. Make sure to saturate the hair fully, ensuring even and consistent color coverage. Follow the processing time specified in the hair color product instructions. This allows the color to develop fully and create the desired slicing effect. Avoid exceeding the processing time to prevent overprocessing and potential damage to the hair. Once the processing time is complete, rinse the hair thoroughly with cool water until the water runs clear. Rinse the hair thoroughly with cool water until the water runs clear. Avoid using hot water as it can open the hair cuticles and cause the color to fade. After rinsing, Apply a color-safe conditioner to nourish and protect the newly colored hair. After rinsing and conditioning, gently towel dry the hair and style it as you like. You can blow dry, curl, or straighten the hair to see the slicing effect more clearly. After coloring, it is essential to protect the color by taking extra care. In this session, we will learn to protect the color after hair coloring. After coloring, wait for 72 hours before shampooing. When coloring hair, the cuticle layer is opened, making it easy for the color to penetrate the hair shaft. When hair is washed too soon after their appointment, the cuticle layer could still be open, which then leads to the color being washed away. It takes up to 3 days for the cuticle layer to fully close. So the longer we wait to shampoo the hair after coloring it, the more time the color pigment will have to soak into the hair cuticle, which will help the color last longer in between salon visits. Use sulphate-free shampoo and conditioner. Sodium laureth sulphate, also known as sodium laureth etasulfate, is a type of anionic detergent that is found in many personal care products. This ingredient is used to help produce a foaming effect in shampoos and conditioners. By using sulfates, you run the risk of stripping your hair of its natural oils and moisture. Try using a sulphate-free shampoo and conditioner to keep the hair color from fading. There are sulphate-free shampoo options available for all hair types, so whether it is frizzy, curly, straight or even thin hair, there is a suitable option for everyone. Add dye to your conditioner. If you are rocking a brighter look with colors like pink, purple or even blue, try adding a little bit of the dye to the conditioner when washing hair. This will slightly re-dye the hair every wash to keep it looking fresh until the roots grow out. Turn down water temperature when shampooing. Though hot showers feel amazing to some, it isn't so great for your hair color. When washing hair with hot water, the hair's cuticle is opened, allowing colors to wash out while shampooing and conditioning. To prevent this from happening, try shampooing with warm water and then rinse with cold water after conditioning. The warm water will help the shampoo and conditioner to penetrate and cleanse. The cold water will help seal in the moisture from the conditioner while preventing the color from fading by sealing the hair's cuticle. Wash hair less often. Avoid washing your hair every day if you want the color to last longer. By washing hair daily, not only are you washing away the natural oils that moisturize and keep hair color looking fresh, but you are also washing away a little bit of your hair dye along with that. Try washing your hair every other day or even 2 to 3 times a week to keep your color looking vibrant. On off days, use dry shampoo. On the days when you are not washing your hair, consider using color-safe dry shampoos. These dry shampoos can indeed refresh your hair and give it a blowout-like appearance without the need for washing. They absorb excess oil, add volume and leave your hair looking clean and styled. Additionally, you can experiment with color-tinted dry shampoos to enhance and revamp your hair color, offering a salon-like touch without visiting a salon. Following these simple after-coloring care tips helps maintain the vibrancy and longevity of your hair color, ensuring it stays stunning and fresh for an extended period. In this session, we have seen how to successfully carry out the procedure of slicing and understand the essential steps and techniques for after hair color slicing care. Thank you for your attention and participation in this session. Let us meet again in the next session.